Welcome to this short demonstration of setting up Google Analytics for Office 365. What you see here in front of you is an Office 365 small business site. The same solution works also for Office 365 Enterprise, but we are doing it today on a small business site. When you scroll down here, you have your Manage Organization-wide Settings, where you can manage mostly everything from Office 365, but today we are interested in sites and document sharing. And there we are interested especially in Manage Public Website. First of all, we have the public address for our public website. Now we copy this address because that's our public address for our website. Copy this one. And we go to Google Analytics. Here we have to sign in. You have to sign in with your Google account. You select here Admin and you select here New Account. There are different options. I don't want to explain all those in detail, but what we are doing now is creating a website called WSP365 Demo. And we are assigning the URL that we had copied previously to this site. Afterwards, we are selecting an industry zone and a time zone according to your requirements. Finally, we enter some account name. And then we click Get Tracking ID. We have to read carefully Google Analytics Service Agreement and then accept it. Or not accept it. And we are ending in this page with the tracking information. Very important, this information here is needed later on. So, now we have to go to my website, viechter.eu. We have to select Downloads. And there is this solution called Google Analytics for SharePoint. You can select it and download the solution. You can store it wherever you want, but very important is that you actually copy the solution file out of the zip file. And let's paste it here in the folder. Next, we go back to our Office 365 tenant. We select Design this site. Now we are on our Office 365 public site. Here we have to go to the solution catalog by entering catalogs/solutions into the URL field and click return. There we can upload the solution that we have previously extracted. We do that and now we have to say activate. And finally, the Google Analytics solution is up and running. At this time, you will realize when you go to this settings page up here, site settings, that here is a new entry called Google Analytics. We are selecting this one. And now we go back to the Google Analytics. We copy the tracking code and we paste it to this text field here. Please be careful. Here you have to remove this script tag at the end and also at the beginning. Now it's removed at the end and at the beginning, and then you can say OK. We verify if the upload was correct by reopen the file. Now we can see that it was correctly uploaded. Please be aware, for example, this website is now offline and you have to make the website firstly public so that everyone gets access before Google will actually detect your site as a correct Google Analytics site. We have now put this site online and when we go back to our Google Analytics account, we will see here status tracking not installed. That will change later, but it will take some time. So that's it. Thank you very much for listening and enjoy Google Analytics for Office 365.